Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. James Whitmore, a health expert with over 35 years at top U.S. hospitals, specializing in folks like me, those over 60. Today, I want to share a story about keeping our muscles strong, fighting the silent loss that comes with age. I remember my first patient, Mary, 65, from California, who said, "Doctor, Hale, I feel weaker every day. Even getting up from a chair is tough." That's sarcopenia muscle loss many of us face. But here's the good news. You're not alone, and we can change it with simple choices from your fridge. Cheese. Not just any cheese, but 5 nutrient-packed types to rebuild muscle. At 60, I started adding them to my meals and feel sharper, stronger every morning. Let's dive in, like a friendly chat between friends. Let's break down sarcopenia simply. It's not just aging, it's muscle loss starting as early as our 52nd. It's not time's fault, but inflammation, poor nutrition, hormone changes, and weaker nutrient absorption in our gut. From my experience, patients lose balance, see blood sugar spikes, weaker bones, and less resilience. Muscles aren't just for moving, they're our body's biggest energy hub, sending signals to keep our brain, liver, and immune system strong. Losing muscle makes us prone to insulin resistance, memory decline, and weaker immunity. A big factor I see, a sedentary lifestyle sitting too much without moving stops muscles from getting signals to stay strong. I advise Tom, 70, from Texas, to take short walks, and within weeks, he felt a difference. So, why do muscles fade? After 60, we can lose 1 to 2% muscle yearly without action. Our body gets less efficient at turning protein into muscle, like an old car needing better fuel to run smoothly. Hormones like testosterone and estrogen dip, inflammation rises. Chronic stress is a culprit, raising cortisol, a hormone that breaks down muscle. Studies on seniors show that managing stress through meditation or deep breathing protects muscles. Don't worry if change feels new, just start small, like 5 minutes of deep breathing daily. Our solution? Light exercise, like brisk walks or squats, paired with leucine-rich nutrition, a nutrient that kickstarts muscle building. Cheese is a fantastic ally. High-quality protein, slow digesting, helps rebuild muscle, stabilize blood sugar, improve sleep, and reduce inflammation. I've seen patients transform by adding it to their meals. Cheese 1. Parmesan Parmigiano Reggiano, daytime muscle support. First up, Parmesan or Parmigiano Reggiano from Italy, a daytime weapon I recommend. It's packed with leucine, sparking the natural process for muscle growth. Aged 12 to 36 months, it's low in lactose, easy to digest for our sensitive stomachs. It's loaded with calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin K2 for strong bones. Muscles and bones go hand in hand. From experience, it reduces inflammation and boosts circulation. A study shows cheeses like Parmesan enhance muscle strength in seniors. Use 20-30 gram, about 2 tablespoons sprinkled on roasted veggies, pumpkin soup, a fall favorite in America, or mixed into eggs. Eat at lunch or dinner to aid nighttime muscle repair. Pair with bananas or sweet potatoes to balance sodium. Find Bel Gioioso or Kraft Parmesan at Costco or Whole Foods, about $5 8 pound. Wrap tightly in wax paper and refrigerate to keep fresh. In Italy, folks eat Parmesan into their 90-second, a longevity secret. Cheese 2. Ricotta, nighttime muscle recovery. Next is ricotta, my go-to for nighttime muscle recovery. I love it for its slow digesting protein, delivering nutrients for 5 to 7 hours. Perfect when growth hormones peak during sleep. It has tryptophan, promoting relaxation and deep sleep key if you wake up at night. Ricotta stabilizes blood sugar, preventing midnight wake-ups. Each 100 gram, half a cup, offers 10-14 gram protein, calcium, and selenium for bones and nerves. A study shows ricotta improves sarcopenia markers. Choose full-fat, organic like Galbani, $3 5 pound at Trader Joe's. Eat 100 grams 60 to 90 minutes before bed, mixed with walnuts or a touch of honey for a melatonin boost. Store in an airtight container, use within 5 to 7 Daltons. Wise. A 6-8-year-old patient from Florida tried this, slept better, and felt stronger by morning. Ricotta nurtures muscles and supports hormone balance for growth. Cheese 3. Feta, digestive and hormonal balance. Third is feta, often made from goat or sheep milk, great for digestion and hormones. As we age, digestion slows and bloating creeps in, but feta's low inflammatory protein suits sensitive guts. It's rich in natural probiotics, reducing chronic inflammation and boosting nutrient absorption. Feta offers 14-gram protein per 100 gram, leucine, and healthy fats for muscle and energy. It's packed with calcium and B12 for muscle function and mood. Studies show feta supports muscle and digestion. Use 50 100 gram, 1/4 1/2 cup in salads with olive oil, cucumber, or a chicken sandwich, a classic American lunch. Find a Thenos or Chrysos feta at Costco, $4 6 pound. Store in brine for lasting freshness. Feta help my patients ease joint pain and improve quality of life, especially in Mediterranean-style diets popular in the U.S. Cheese 4. Aged cheddar, all-day energy boost. Fourth is aged cheddar, a protein powerhouse for all-day energy. Aged 9 to 24 months, it's high in leucine and protein, 25 gram per 100 gram, low in lactose and easy to digest. It's rich in calcium and phosphorus for bones and healthy fats for energy. Studies show cheddar boosts muscle strength in seniors. Use 30-50 gram, 1 to 2 thin slices in a whole grain sandwich, sprinkled on baked sweet potatoes or paired with apples for breakfast or lunch. Find Tillamook or Cabot at Walmart, $4 7 pound. Wrap in wax paper to preserve flavor. A 72-year-old patient from Ohio added cheddar to breakfast and felt more energetic. Cheese 5. Gouda, bone health and inflammation fighter. Lastly, Gouda, especially aged, supports bones and fights inflammation. It's rich in leucine, protein, 22 gram per 100 gram, vitamin K2, and calcium for strong bones. Its anti-inflammatory peptides aid circulation. A study shows Gouda reduces chronic inflammation in seniors. Use 30-50 gram, 1 to 2 slices on toast with avocado or paired with grapes at lunch. Find Beemster or Boar's Head Gouda at Kroger, $6 9 pound. Store in an airtight bag. Gouda help my patients reduce joint pain and gain strength. Alternatives for lactose intolerance. If lactose is an issue, try lactose-free Greek yogurt, vegan cheese from soy, or protein-rich tofu, quinoa, or pea protein powder, all muscle-friendly per studies. Daily strategy to fight sarcopenia. Sarcopenia isn't inevitable. It's about missing signals from nutrition, movement, rest, and stress management. Start your day with 10 minutes of brisk walking, squats, or stretching. For breakfast, try feta in a salad or cheddar with apples. At lunch, sprinkle Parmesan or Gouda on lentil soup or baked sweet potatoes. For dinner, eat ricotta 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Prioritize deep sleep, avoid screens, dim lights, keep your room cool. Manage stress with 5-minute meditation. Parmesan and cheddar fuel daytime strength. Ricotta rebuilds at night. Feta and Gouda balance digestion and hormones. My patients saw strength return in months. Dear friends, strength isn't a memory of youth. It's the signals you send your body today. You hold the blueprint to rebuild with the right nutrition, light movement, quality sleep, and stress control. These 5 cheeses are powerful tools to prevent and reverse sarcopenia, helping you thrive at 60, 70, and beyond. Start today with a trip to your local supermarket. Which cheese will you try first? Share in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. If this video helped, like, share it with friends, and subscribe for more senior health tips. Thank you for watching. Stay strong, because you deserve it.